Welcome to Fox Tech. In today's video, we're going to cover how to add keyboard shortcuts on your iPhone. Keyboard shortcuts are features that make the typing experience not only easier, but also faster. Of course, you don't need to use them, but it's a great way to add something extra to your otherwise normal keyboard. Let's start with an example of a simple but useful shortcut called the dot shortcut. This shortcut allows you to insert a period at the end of a sentence by simply double tapping the space bar. To turn this on, you need to go to the Settings app, then navigate to the General section, and from there you should find the Keyboard section. The dot shortcut toggle is located at the end of the list. You can turn it on or off as you wish. Now let's dive into the process of adding an actual keyboard shortcut, also known as text replacements. These are custom shortcuts you can create to make typing frequently used phrases much faster. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General, then select Keyboard from the list of options. Once you're in the keyboard settings, tap on Text Replacement. This section allows you to create and manage your shortcuts. To add a new shortcut, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. You'll be prompted to enter a phrase and a shortcut. For example, you could enter "on my way" as the phrase and OMW as the shortcut. Once you've entered your desired phrase and shortcut, tap Save to add it to your list. After creating your shortcut, it's important to test it out. Open any app where you can type, such as Messages or Notes, and type the shortcut you just created. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the full phrase appear as a suggestion. Tap the space bar to accept the suggestion and see your shortcut in action. To ensure your keyboard shortcuts work effectively, there are a few additional settings you should enable. Go back to the keyboard settings by tapping the back arrow in the top left corner until you're back at the main keyboard settings screen. Here, you want to make sure that the predictive switch is toggled on. If it's off, simply tap the switch to turn it on. This feature helps your iPhone suggest words and phrases as you type, making your shortcuts even more efficient. Additionally, make sure that both autocorrection and check spelling are turned on. Autocorrection will automatically correct common typos and mistakes, while check spelling will underline misspelled words. These features work together to provide a smoother typing experience and ensure that your shortcuts function as intended. That's it for today's tutorial on how to add keyboard shortcuts on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're now able to create and use shortcuts to save time while typing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Fox Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Peace.